Hello everybody, looking back over here at Virgin Galactic, we're seeing that one of two things is likely to happen. Keeps on going up higher and higher and higher. So either it's going to be a blow off top, and so if it was a blow off top, we would just see that we would go from up here straight down to here. And so that's one of the likely things to happen. Another thing that could happen, which I think is more likely, is that it goes from here, goes down, lower high, consolidates. So I think one of those two is more likely to happen. And right here we're seeing two things, high IV and price extreme. You can definitely take advantage of price extreme, but I think the biggest thing here is the high IV that we want to take advantage of. So what do we want to do right here? One of two things is either happen. It's going to go down. It's going to be a blow off top. It's going to be V-shaped down. And that's the first thing right here that could happen. Second thing is that it just goes down slightly, you have a lower high, and then it consolidates. And I think that's more likely to happen. But if the first thing happens, then the price goes down. The second thing happens, then there's volatility contraction. But one of those two, I think, has to happen. This makes it the perfect scenario to be shorting call options. Because if there's volatility contraction, then the call options will go down in value. If the price goes down, the call option will also go down in value. So one of two ways they will go down in value. So right here, just looking at Virgin Galactic, it's consistently changing. So at the time of recording right now, it's 9:32. And you probably want to go short these and take long positions in the 35. So you could do it as a vertical spread right there. You can also do a covered put, or you could also just sell a naked call. And I would likely, in this scenario, go out and sell this naked call right here. And the prices consistently keeps on changing. So right here, we're seeing it out. There's a major down move, but get in right at the top. And this thing is moving 4% up and down, second by second. So on the 33 calls, I would take short positions in those right there. That's step one of a larger trade. What's likely to happen is that we put that trade on and then it goes lower. And after going lower, we turn it into an inverted jade lizard, or we then buy 100 shares after it goes lower and it turns into a covered call, or we exit the trade altogether. There are many different things we could do over here, lock in profits. But this is one of the things that I'm going to do right now. And you should probably do this too, just short those calls, and then that is step one of a multi-step process. And so right here, one of two things is going to happen, blow off top or just lower high deep consolidation. And to take advantage of that, short the at-the-money calls, and these at-the-money calls are April 17th. And so short the April 17th at-the-money calls, and we'll go from there, and we'll build up into this multi-step process where if there's consolidation and there's volatility contraction, then we can turn it into a covered call or a jade lizard. If it just keeps on going down, then we can buy these back and then sell more at the money, buy these back, sell more at the money, and consistently do that and make money from that extrinsic value decay and the price going down. And so one of two ways we're going to make money. Either the price goes down or we're going to make money off the implied volatility contraction. One of those two things. But just for now, short the at-the-money calls. And if you want more updates on this, just subscribe to the channel, because in the future, we're going to be talking about trade updates to this. What I'm likely to do is turn this into an inverted jade lizard right here, or turn this into a covered call after the price goes down. So for those reasons, just subscribe, stay updated, turn on the notifications. We're going to be making these videos every day from now on for Virgin Galactic as long as this sort of volatility stays.